Have you experienced slowdowns or glitches while gaming? O di kaya nagkakaroon ng artifacts ang display mo while doing graphic extensive tasks pagdating sa iyong computer? In this video, we'll try to solve these problems by repasting our GPU. Sometimes nakakaranas tayo ng artifacting, shutdowns, o kaya naman ay BSODs while gaming, and one factor na maaaring dahilan nito is overheating ng ating graphics card. In these cases, lalo na kung medyo luma na ang graphics card mo, repasting your video card could solve your problem. Now, bawat video card ay may kanya-kanyang design at paraan para mag-disassemble nito, but you could use this tutorial as a rough guide para sa repasting ng iyong GPU. Pero bago ang lahat, disclaimer muna, research first on the specific model and manufacturer of your graphics card and always follow safety procedures before attempting this tutorial. And take your time sa paggawa para makaiwas tayo sa iba pang mga issues. So let's start. The graphics card that we'll be repasting for today is a GTX 560 from Colorful. This is a card na nirelease noong 2011. Para sa project natin for today, we'll be needing thermal paste, alcohol, at mga precision screwdrivers. Kailangan din natin ng spare na unit para matest natin ang ating GPU mamaya matapos natin itong linisin. Turn over natin ang ating graphics card at tanggalin natin ang mga screws holding our shroud in a cross pattern para maging even ang release ng pressure sa ating GPU die. You'll also notice din na ang mga screws natin ay may naka-attach na mga springs para din sa purpose na ito. Once na natanggalan natin ang mga tornilyo, dahan-dahan nating i-separate ang board ng ating GPU from our fan assembly in a twisting motion. Tanggalin din natin yung fan connector na galing sa ating heatsink assembly at iset natin to aside. Now get a clean towel at basahin natin ito ng alcohol at dahan-dahan natin tanggalin ang lumang thermal compound sa GPU die. Do this a couple of times. If available, use a brush din para maalis natin ang mga naipon na alikabok sa ating GPU board. This is important since accumulated dust also causes overheating ng ating GPU. Now to our fan assembly. Use compressed air para matanggal ang mga naipong alikabok sa loob ng fan assembly. Some people also disassemble the fan assembly itself, but since different cards have different ways of doing it, we'll just go with blowing air into the shroud for now. Same as the GPU die, use a cloth na may alcohol para matanggal din ang lumang thermal compound from our heatsink. This will make sure that you have a very well prepared surface for optimum cooling. Now it's time to apply thermal paste. Use a pea-sized amount sa gitna ng GPU die. Huwag pakaramihan, huwag din sobrang konti. Make sure lang na mako-cover ng thermal paste ang buong die pag na-assemble na natin siya mamaya. Now, reverse na ang process na gagawin natin. Plug in the power connector to the board. Then screw the heatsink assembly in a cross pattern. Don't over-tighten your screws. In the case of this GPU, kailangan nyo ng additional power. So, locate natin at ikabit ang ating dual 6-pin from our PSU. Then, insert natin ang ating GPU sa PCI Express slot ng ating motherboard. turn on our computer at check natin if it boots into Windows. Now na nasa Windows na tayo, may mga additional pa tayong step na pwede natin gawin para ma-stress test our GPU at gagawin natin ito ngayon. First test natin na gagawin is core mark. And as we said in our previous video, check tayo for artifacts sa ating screen while we're doing the test. And for this test, we got a score of 1,308 at ang maximum temperature natin ay 82 degrees, which is okay naman since our maximum operating temperature for our GTX 560 is 99 degrees. Next test natin is Unigine Heaven benchmark. And for this test, nakakuha tayo ng score na 918 with an average FPS of 36.5 on 1080p, Direct 3D 11 with high settings. And with that, sana makatulong itong tutorial na to in solving some of your graphical problems. And if you found this video useful, please click the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell para laging updated kung kailan tayo naglalabas ng ating mga bagong videos. At para sa susunod mong video, please click here sa card na nasa kaliwa para sa ating tutorial on how to build your very own computer. At dito naman sa playlist na nasa ibaba para sa iba pa nating mga tech tutorial. And I'll see you in the next one.